And 116 on the southeast corner. They have a radome to go. It's on a pallet, and it's going down to the 4054.
What's up?
Just going back to the vendor to 54. Do you have an idea where she's at her?
That nose going there?
Yeah.
If it's going back to the vendor, it's probably going through shipping at the 53.
89.
89.
Down stall 105, they have a what they call an aqueous wash cart, number 55201, to go to the 4501.
5501 from 40, stall 105 to the 4501.
Yeah, that's wash cart number 55201. 86. Can you go down to Fox 1 and move the tug for Harry? I guess it's still hooked up to the plane.
There, Mark.
Flight deck, can you give us nose up trim, the smallest increment possible?
Okay, here we go.
Just a little more than that.
How's that?
Second to check it again here. It's good this time.
So you're going to vacate the stab and then we'll get ready to bring hydraulics up, is that the plan?
Roger that.
And can we switch and do the left elevator first? The equipment set up better for the left?
Sure, yeah, let's go ahead and do the left elevator. I'm all set up to record.